Them say me fi break bread and drink wine. Rasta say fi smoke sense if fi reach the divine. But me no drink nor smoke, no wash in my throat. Only one spirit in my flesh, our Jah design. But we know say the herbs are the healing of the nation. So when I want reach deep in meditation, nothing like me Ganga tea and a nice melody. DCI Records. Let's set the people free. Me boil it slow in a copper pot with mint leaf, turmeric, make it hot. Me no need spliff, me no need chalice. Jah guide me thoughts in herbal palace. Steam rise, I like prayer upon breath. Me sip truth, me skip the death. No smoke pan long, but still me free. Every cup of praise for the sensory. Nothing like me and me Ganga tea. Natural heights, that's divinity. From the root straight to me knee. Ital steam set me spirit free. Nothing like me and me Ganga tea. Wisdom steep like prophecy. Every sip is clarity. Me no need smoke to be heavenly. Me plant it in a bush, me reap with care. Me dry it slow in a sun and air. Then me steep it deep with cinnamon spice. One sip, me heart feel twice as nice. Then puff, 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 then cough and lie. Me sip and chant, then testify. Jah never tell me fi burn me lungs. Him say eat it, brew it and sing some song. And nothing like me and me Ganga tea. Draw me close to the Almighty. No liquor store, no pharmacy. Me trust Jah bush for energy. Nothing like me and me Ganga tea. When the world stress me mentally, me take one brew and spiritually me rise above anxiety. Me no knock no man who blaze the flame, but for me fire come from righteous name. Me no drunk, me no high, me just awake. And Ganga tea make me meditate. Little ginger, little lime, little sour sap leaf, little time. Nothing